It all began on an ordinary Tuesday, or so I thought. The sky was painted with the kind of grey that promises rain, the kind that makes people hurry past each other without a word. Their umbrellas barely keeping the drizzle off their shoulders. I was walking home from work, my mind consumed with deadlines and errands, when I heard the faintest whimper coming from an alley. At first, I tried to ignore it. After all, the city was full of sounds, sirens, chatter, the hum of life, but something about that whimper stopped me in my tracks. Curiosity, or perhaps something deeper, made me follow the sound. There, crouched between two overflowing trash bins, was a tiny bundle of fur, shivering and covered in dirt. Its eyes, wide and wary, looked straight into mine, and in that instant, the world seemed to slow down. Everything else, the drizzle, the distant honking, the people passing by, faded away. It was just the two of us, locked in a silent understanding. Without thinking, I crouched down and stretched out my hand. The little creature sniffed cautiously before inching closer, and then, almost miraculously, it allowed me to scoop it up. It was light as a feather, its small heart beating rapidly against my chest. I could feel the warmth of life in its trembling body, and a strange, unexplainable connection took root in my heart. I wrapped the puppy in my scarf and made my way home, careful not to jostle it. On the way, I found myself wondering how a tiny bean like this could change anything in my life. Yet deep down, I felt that something monumental had just begun. I didn't know it then, but this little ball of fur would set my life on a path I could never have predicted. That evening, after a warm bath and some leftover chicken from my fridge, the puppy, whom I named Charlie on impulse, crawled into my lap and fell asleep. As I watched him sleep, I realized that I had not felt this kind of peace in years. It was as if the universe had whispered, "You needed this. And soon, you will understand why." The next morning, Charlie followed me around as I went about my day, a small shadow with enormous energy. I had always lived a solitary life, comfortable in my routines, but his presence was undeniable and insistent. He would nudge my hand when I lingered too long over my phone or bark happily at the smallest of noises. Somehow, he was teaching me to notice the little things, to embrace life with more attention and care. Weeks passed, and our bond grew stronger. Charlie had an uncanny ability to sense my moods. On days when work drained me and the city felt suffocating, he would curl up beside me, resting his head on my knee, reminding me that I wasn't alone. But it wasn't just comfort he brought, he was a spark. He made me laugh in ways I hadn't laughed in years, chasing his tail, trying to climb onto the couch, or barking at shadows. One rainy evening, as we walked through the park, I noticed a commotion near the pond. A man was frantically waving his arms, and I could hear terrified cries. Without thinking, I ran toward the noise, Charlie bouncing at my heels. A child had slipped into the water, struggling against the current. Time slowed. I didn't consider the danger, my instincts kicked in. I jumped in, feeling the icy water grip me, and with Charlie's frantic barking encouraging me, I managed to pull the child to safety. The incident made headlines the next day: "Brave stranger and her dog saved child from drowning." People congratulated me, but the truth was, I didn't feel brave. Charlie had been the real hero, alerting me, guiding me, urging me to act. That day, I realized he wasn't just a companion, he was a catalyst. A small, furry reminder that life sometimes calls us to act when we least expect it. In the following months, my life began to shift in ways I hadn't anticipated. I met new people, friends who shared my love for animals, and even volunteers at a local shelter. Charlie, of course, was the center of attention wherever we went. One chilly autumn evening, at a charity event for abandoned pets, I met someone, Alex, a gentle, thoughtful person who had dedicated years to rescuing animals. Our conversation started casually, discussing shelter conditions and adoption policies, but it quickly blossomed into hours of shared laughter, stories, and a feeling of familiarity that neither of us could explain. As the months turned into a year, Charlie continued to weave magic into my life. He helped me through heartbreak, cheered me through successes, and even became a silent motivator in my career. One morning, while walking him along the quiet streets before sunrise, I realized that the city no longer felt grey. There was color in the early light, joy in the mundane, and promise in every step. I had changed, and so had my world, all because of a small, scruffy puppy I had found on a rainy Tuesday. Then came the unexpected turn, an opportunity that would test everything. I received a chance to lead a major project abroad, a move that would be career-defining but required leaving the city and, seemingly, everything familiar behind. I hesitated, torn between ambition and the comfort of routine. But as I looked down at Charlie, sleeping peacefully at my feet, I realized that the courage to leap had always been there. He had taught me resilience, patience, and above all, the power of love and companionship. With him by my side, I could face anything. The day we moved, Charlie seemed to sense the significance. He bounded through the new apartment, exploring every corner, sniffing every shadow, as if declaring that this would be home, too. In that moment, I understood something profound. Life's most meaningful adventures are often unplanned, sparked by chance encounters that challenge us, teach us, and ultimately lead us to unexpected joy. Years later, as I sat in a sunlit park with Charlie resting his head on my lap, I reflected on how a simple act of kindness, stopping to help a tiny, shivering puppy, had changed everything. I had found love, friendship, courage, and purpose, all because of a little dog who needed me. Charlie had not only transformed my life, he had taught me that destiny sometimes arrives on four small paws, wagging a tail and looking at you with eyes full of trust. As I watched children play nearby and dogs chase frisbees, I whispered to Charlie, "Thank you, buddy. You chose me, and I chose you, and somehow, together, we found the way." He looked up at me, tail wagging lazily, and I knew that some encounters are meant to be fateful, life-changing, and entirely unforgettable. And so, what began as an ordinary Tuesday turned into a story I would carry forever, a story of a chance encounter, a little dog, and a life transformed in the most unexpected, magical ways.